Today we are going to perform experiment number 40 to prepare and submit liquid paraffin emulsion. As per the procedure, the prescription given is methyl cellulose 4 gram, then liquid paraffin 50 ml, vanillin 0.1 gram, syrup 25 ml and then water 200 ml. We have to prepare the liquid paraffin by using these ingredients. Then the calculations for taking the amounts of these ingredients, we have to calculate the factor first. So quantity required is 30 ml and quantity given is 200 ml. So the factor is 0.15. Okay, and this factor 0.15 we are going to take for calculating the individual amount of the ingredient. So first, methyl cellulose 4 gram multiplied by 0.15, it gives 0.6 gram. Liquid paraffin 50 ml multiplied by 0.15 gram, it gives 7.5 ml. Then vanillin 0.1 gram, it gives 0.015 gram. Then syrup 25 ml multiplied by 0.15 gram, it gives 3.79 ml. And then water up to 30 ml. So according to these calculations, we are going to prepare the liquid paraffin emulsions. These are the chemicals required to prepare and submit the liquid paraffin emulsion. These are the glasswares required for the preparation purpose, and these are the weighed quantity of the all ingredients liquid paraffin emulsion. Add the 5 ml boiling water in the mortar as per the procedure given in the manual. Then add the methyl cellulose powder into boiling water and make a homogeneous mixture of this. This is the homogeneous mixture of the water and the methyl cellulose. In this mixture we are going to add the vanillin solution. Step, we are going to add vanillin into 9.4 ml of the chloroform water, and then this solution we are going to add in the cellulose solution. Mixture by trituration, and will prepare the homogeneous solution of the both solutions. We are going to add the syrup in this solution and triturate it. Liquid paraffin into the above solution and then triturate it. Added all the ingredients in this solution and vigorously triturating, and finally we are going to make the volume of this emulsion by using the water. Here we have make up the volume of liquid paraffin emulsion up to 30 ml. Okay, now transfer this emulsion into the bottle and label it properly and